guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. Alright, and we got one announcement for one of our advertisers.
Hi, my name is Josh. This is going to be a sponsored ad by Raid Shadow Legends. Just kidding.
So I had an issue this morning with Old Faithful. Didn't want to turn on, didn't know what I was doing, left me stranded. And it turns out that if you don't have oil in your diesel trucks, they don't fire because the injection system runs on oil pressure. So I'm an idiot. So I need to keep an eye on my oil. I have an oil leak from the oil pan. So yeah, but Mochi was there to fix the problem for me. So thank God for Mochi being a jack of all trades.
Do backflip.
Right now, do backflip.
On the fucking concrete?
You know, today's Sunday, right?
Today's Sunday, yeah.
And your door says closed on Sunday, so what are you doing here?
We came to open the shop just for you. We came to the circuit room and we found some special bell stems for Moshi. So we're going to put these short bell stems on those fancy chrome letter wheels because they're only 18s by 10s, 18s by 11s.
Okay.
How do they look?
They're mine. I already bought it. Okay, John, this is the deal. They're mine. We're gonna bring us as spares. If you get a flat, you can borrow one. When we get to Virginia, they belong to me.
So I found these tires, but apparently I lost them already because they're really nice. So at least we have spares now. I can't put them on.
Hey, it runs in the family. This is going to be super stretch on these little tires. 225, 40s.
Yeah, 40 and a 10. It's like it's nothing.
It's nothing. Okay.
Don't get nervous now that you're on camera, man.
Huh?
Don't get nervous and mess up.
Oh, I forgot. I don't see the light red at all, so I don't know. Look. I don't know how we're going to do this.
What's that nitrous bottle for?
Oh,
What's that for?
this is for my little 13.
That your new Cheetah?
This is for my 13B. But now since you're leaving to Virginia, we're not going to, we're never going to get to tanning together so I can smoke you,
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean? But
That's your excuse now, right?
But I don't think I need them, so I'm just going to throw them away in the trash.
It's weird because every time I was at the track, Andy will never get on track with me. He'll have his car there and he'll be like, oh, I'm busy right now. I'll get on later. And when I'll break my car, then he'll get on the track.
The funny thing, your car was always broken.
I was driving it.
Ah!
I was driving it. If you don't drive it, you never break it, right? That's good.
That's one, you might be right, but it's like your car is always half broken. Most of my pictures that I posted up on Slate, it's like your car jacked up, changing the diff. My tranny went out. My ball joint. Oh my God, I ran out of tires.
To be fair, I also broke Andy's car one time. They let me drive it.
No, Matt. You broke my shifter. Now we're going to do this now for you.
Come on, hey, show him how it's done. First try. We finally figured it out. And you know what? I can slow motion the video. You don't have to do it in slow motion in real life.
Did I got something on my eye?
Yeah, I'm gonna get demonetized now for flicking me.
Oh! Sit. Sit, Moshi. Right here.
And the model, new merch model. Man, we got sponsored by Andy's finally.
We got the Andy's tires. Andy's sleigh day. I got you a sombrero because last time for a sleigh that you were crying.
That is. Woo! I'm gonna use this for work.
Oh, yeah, you can flip it. You can flip it.
Allá. Ya tengo uno para salir a guiar. Y me pongo este, mira, para darle duro al carro.
This is for you, the pink ones, you know, for you, Angela.
Those are mine. The pink ones are mine.
I got you a shirt.
You gonna put my car in there next year?
Esta es la mediana para su hija.
Para hermana, la mediana.
Yo soy large.
Gosh, you need that so much. Look, it's like the belly right there.
Mira, esa de Haltech, tú sabes, no está muy buena. Esa tienes que tirarla a la basura.
Hey!
Oh, no, dispensa. Está buena porque es la computadora que corro yo.
Yeah, exactly,
Esa
man.
computadora,
Yeah,
that's
come
what I
on,
have right now in my
shit.
car. Yeah. Okay, contesta.
I say, don't be talking bad about Haltech.
Dang,
That's
you
perfect.
look 20 years younger. You look like you're 80 now.
Wow. Ponle la cara, pa, ponle la cara.
Y ahora. Ya está que yo te le voy a dar paleta todo el día hoy. Hoy la vas a ver, en todos los videos la vas a ver.
It's only one video. It's only one video. That's all Andy paid for was one video.
Here's for some for your brother too.
Mike's over there. He's like,
Okay, let me
he's getting yelled at.
Let me go get-
We got the wheels mounted today. About to head back. Put them in the RX-8, get the RX-8 ready. We have to go to a shop to use a lift to change the oil pan on it because it's cracked again. After that, basically the car's ready to go. Usually to Andy's for opening on Sunday to mount the wheels. I just got back from 3-piece. So 3 pieces of chrome plating on it. You can see it's super shiny. It might basically blind people on the road, but whatever. But put those wheels in the car and then go flex a little bit before we leave. All right, Andy. Thanks again for opening on Sunday for us. So how much I owe you?
Gonna be
It's free. It's on the house, right? Andy? It's on the house. It's on the house.
$2,000, but we're gonna give you a discount today. Yeah, you gotta shut off the camera now.
So I brought over Hertz Miller-Matic because I found out I have a big ass hole in my exhaust I have to fix. So we basically the sound like shit the whole way there. So fix that and we should be good because Boris already changed the transmission output seal. So no more leaking transmission. And we kind of like fixed the oil pan again. So hopefully I fixed everything because the car needs to be ready to go Thursday back to Virginia. Yeah, make like take, bruh. Alright. Yeah, looks like shit. But it should definitely hold. Maybe one last weld just in case. Rest of the exhaust looks. Holy crap, look at this thing. Hopefully that makes it to Virginia. And that looks okay. That's questionable. I think it might be fine. I don't want to fuck with that one. I think it's alright. Yeah. That's it.